Yeah, I think so. Hopefully I have some more. Okay, I got some more. I got my ear pierced today. I actually thought that it would hurt really bad, but it didn't actually hurt that bad. It just felt like a pinch, actually. I know I normally do intro, but for Hiccups, I don't do intros. I do outros, but I don't do intros. I don't know why. Oh yeah, probably because I can't really talk because when I'm starting it, I'm hiccuping. I got some here. I got some also earrings after a month. I can put in some hearts, some crosses for school, and then some fluff balls. I gotta put those away for a month. And also these earrings, what I got now, are my month. They are light blue. They're my birthmark stone. I'm trying to put my ear away and do a hiccup video at the same time. And also, guys, just yesterday, you guys are probably like, why are you not telling us the day because it's not gonna. Okay, so today is Saturday. Yesterday on Friday, I got a glittery blue casket puppet. I got a white puzzle piece, but in the sun, it will turn pink and white. And then I got a square type thing. Let's try to see. No, it's on the bad side. You guys can't really hear it. It's the one of the sides are really good to hear, and the other side are really bad to hear. Oh yeah, this is my jeweler box. I don't know if you can really see it that well. I'm just trying to put away my jewelry and do a hiccup. Oh, sorry. It tipped it a little. Oh, right there's the earring. There. Just place them in. Wait a second, I just need to hold my phone there. It's very easy to double tap. Your ears will sting at the first day you do them. Okay, I'm sitting down. And so, since there's a girl birthday party coming up in my classroom, so in 4th grade, since I'm in 4th grade, basically, there's a girl in our classroom having a party over the summer. So basically, we bought her some puppets, 2 of them. I got 3, she got 2. And the back what we picked it is for her theme. Her theme is gonna be outdoor movie. So this is the bag what we basically got her. You can kind of see it. And also a few days ago, I got a Nito. it was pink and the color inside of it is purple. I got some hiccups. And also, I'm sorry to you guys for not posting hiccup videos. I have some hiccups. I've just been too lazy to start recording them. And also, my 4th grade teacher, since she's not gonna be here next year, and she has a lot of books. She's a math teacher, but she still got some books. So I got a hamster type thing, some little people thing, and then the lemonade war. And also I got a little fairy book thing, like the fairy rainbow jewelry. I got the green one. I still got my hair up. No, that was hours ago when I got my ears pierced. I know it was hours ago, but I know it was hours ago, but I still wanted to wear it, my ponytail. I dropped something on the ground real fast. I'm trying to get it. This is my fish feeder. Okay, yeah, that's just gonna be lost down there. I still got hiccups. Do I still got my necklace on my hand? Where did I put my necklace? I'm talking about my breath necklace, my color of my breath necklace. Okay, I put it somewhere on my desktop, and now it's lost. I'm curious if these still work. Found a heart ring. I keep on finding rings, but not some necklaces. Yeah, I really don't know where it went. Maybe I put it in my jewelry box and just forgot. I felt a hiccup. Okay. Okay. I keep on hiccuping so that way I'm keeping it on even though I'm doing stuff. And I'm trying to find you guys the necklace, but we'll go these earrings. But I'm having little troubles. Ooh. Okay. Only necklace what I could find was my unicorn one, and not the one what I was looking for. Okay. Let's try to find it since I'm hiccuping and filming. I don't know. I wish I remembered where I put my necklace. I'm trying to remember everywhere where I had it, but I think it might just be lost on my desk. So I'll find it sooner or later. Okay, I'm still kind of looking for it. Is it in here? Probably not. Oh. What even isn't in here? Don't know what I'm looking for. I wish I could find the necklace what would go with these, but I can't find my necklace. Okay, I think I'm out of hiccups. Ow. Ow. Okay, I definitely recommend after getting your ear pierced, don't very hard lay your ear on your shoulder that hard, because that does hurt your ear. Only a little though. Some of me just want to hop online and tell two of my classmates, Isabella and Delilah are their names. I just want to tell them that I got my ear pierced, but I really can't. I want to see their reaction in person, but I just want to tell them through the Roblox. So it's going to be hard. Okay. Wait, where is it? Right here it is. Not my necklace, but do you guys know your mood bracelet? I have a moon bracelet which says my name on it. I don't remember where I got it, but what are the colors? What does the color mean? Right now it's purple. No, it's a very, very light purple. I'm very curious. I'm just curious what the colors mean. While I'm saying this, my brain is just trying to scan the room to see if I can remember where I put my necklace. I need to find my necklace. Where is my necklace? Sorry. When I really want to find something and I can't find it, I use a demon. No, not telling a demon, a dark voice. Yeah, I'll call it a dark voice. Not that? What I just used? Not then a dark voice. For reals, all I'm trying to do right now is seriously look for it. Whatever, it's fine. You know, I hope you Cotton Candy Kids like this Hiccup video / earrings / me just trying to find my birth necklace, asking you guys what the colors mean on this video type thing. It's confusing. I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it 2 big thumbs, like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you Cotton Candy Kids next time. Bye. Wait, before you go, sorry, most of you have clicked off by now, but if you haven't, then hello. Sorry for kind of doing the outro type thing. I forgot to say, I also have some Roblox account with some new ones. I have Hiccup Queen, so it basically has Hiccup Queen 1 2 3. So basically, it spells Hiccup, then a dash thing, like just a line thing, a line, then Queen 1 2 3. So Hiccup line thing, Queen 1 2 3. And also I have JoJo. No, not JoJo. Sarah 1 2 3. Sorry, my phone just dinged. It's Sarah 1 2 3 JoJo. So those are my new accounts. So I have TLT Cup Princess and TLT Cup 12. I keep on forgetting the 12 always. Then the Princess in Black 78. Cotton Candy Study instead of Studio, but whatever. Cotton Candy Study. Sarah, 1 2 3 JoJo. Do not ask. I made that account when I first started Roblox. For some reason, the phone when I used it when I was gonna make a new Roblox account remembered that, and also it remembered a very jobbly one when I just did crazy letters. I was shocked. So yeah. And then Hiccup Queen, as you know, I am the Hiccup Queen, the only one. So of course I added a name out of that. So yeah. Now I can't see why my phone was. It might just be a YouTube video or someone texted me on Roblox. Probably a YouTube video. You don't really know. Ooh. Wait a second. Just give me 1 sec. Okay, I have something to do in 21 minutes. My favorite YouTuber, you guys might know them, might not. Jen and Christy, aka their channel, it's called Jen Stein. It says reacting to for me 1 year late through face cam. OMG, yeah, they were actually reacting to their own movie, what they made. Set reminder for sure in 21 minutes, that go live today. Yeah, but you guys will already be kind of watching it when the video probably comes out if you watch them. I don't know. But my favorite YouTubers are literally going live in 21 minutes. Well, for reals outro this time. I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it 2 big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see Cotton Candy Kids next time. Bye for this interruption. Bye.